Welcome back to Platypod TV and another exciting episode in our Phototype series. I'm Dave Williams, and today we've got a fantastic episode lined up for you. We're going to dive deep into the world of real estate photography, and we're going to talk about how to take your shots to the next level with a little help from our trusty Platypod. Before we get started, let's talk about the secret weapon. Platypod Extreme. This nifty little gadget lets you place your camera in spots that you've never dreamed of. So whether you're photographing a stunning loft with high ceilings, or you want to get up on a ledge and capture the perfect bird's eye view of a beautiful garden, the Platypod has got your back. We'll get into the tips and tricks, but let's quickly highlight some of the Platypod's features. The Platypod is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it super easy to carry around. It's also versatile with multiple mounting options to accommodate different camera sizes. Plus, it's sturdy as heck, ensuring your camera stays safe while you can focus your attention on getting the perfect shot. Right, enough about the Platypod for now. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of real estate photography. Tip number 1, composition. When it comes to real estate photography, you want to showcase the property in the best way possible, showing it in its best light. Consider your angles, leading lines, framing. Platypod comes in handy here, especially when you need to get low angle shots to emphasize the size of a room or a unique feature like a beautiful ceiling or some lovely high walls. But remember, keep your vertical lines vertical, keep your horizon level, because someone's always going to point it out if you don't. Tip number 2, lighting. Lighting is everything in real estate photography. Natural light is your best friend, so make sure you schedule your shoot around golden hour if you can, or balance your lighting with bracketed shots to ensure you don't lose any detail in the shadows or the highlights. Having your Platypod allows you to get the scene exactly the same to get those bracketed shots. With the Platypod, you can easily position your camera near windows, allowing the soft, natural light to flood in and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. But here's the bonus part to this tip. Your Platypod will go in places regular tripods can't reach, like the corner of the kitchen counter, in hard-to-reach corners of other rooms, and other places that provide a unique perspective to really show off the potential of a property. And tip number 3, high dynamic range photography. We touched on this just now, but HDR photography, HDR images, can make your real estate photos really pop. Capture multiple exposures of the same scene and blend them together for a stunning final image. In Adobe Lightroom or Camera Raw, it's as simple as selecting the images that you want to put together, right-clicking, and then merge to HDR. The Platypod provides a stable platform, making it a breeze to shoot multiple exposures with no camera shake. Tip number 4, wide-angle lenses. Wide-angle lenses are your go-to choice for real estate photography. They allow you to capture the entire room in one frame. With the Platypod, you can mount your camera at different heights to showcase the space effectively, whether it's capturing the grandeur of a living room or the coziness of a bedroom. Tip number 5, post-processing. Editing your photos is the final step in creating jaw-dropping real estate shots. Use software like Adobe Lightroom to enhance your images, knowing that with the Platypod, your shots will be so sharp and clear that post-processing becomes a breeze, letting you focus on those minor adjustments to make your photos truly stand out. And there you have it, folks. Real estate photography doesn't have to be daunting. Everyone's got to start somewhere, so give it a try, see how you get on with it. And if you like it, there's money to be made with real estate photography. And with the right techniques and a handy gadget like the Platypod, you can create stunning images that will make any property look its best. So whether you're shooting those cozy interiors, sprawling exteriors, or even those tricky, hard-to-reach spots, the Platypod is your secret weapon. So that's it for today, folks. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. We really appreciate it. And as always, if you have any questions or you want to share your own real estate photography tips, leave a comment down below. We love to hear from you all. Thanks for joining us today on Phototypes. Keep shooting, stay creative, and until next time, see ya.